Welcome to Ability Analysis, where we shall analyze all of the unlockable alternate abilities in the game before acting like a bunch of astrophysicists and pretend like we know what we're doing. Today, we shall be taking flight and looking at the Artichoke drone and all of its statistics and quirks. Let's get started. The Artichoke drone is the alternate ability to the Garlic drone that can be obtained through opening sticker packs. The ability functions exactly the same in allowing the player to take control of a drone that flies through the skies, and the primary has the same rate of fire and overheat stats as the Garlic. However, this is where the similarities end. For starters, the primary weapon for the Artichoke drone deals 8 damage for a normal hit, 9.6 for a critical hit, and when at mid-range, 6 for a normal hit, and 7.2 for a critical hit. Additionally, the airstrike functions completely differently, instead, only being a single strike that lands instantly. The projectile deals 10 damage if it lands directly on an enemy, and an additional 25 damage for the explosion within a generous radius. The airstrike only has a 4-second cooldown and does not have any initial cooldown when you first take control of the drone. Additionally, the Artichoke drone has 20 health and has the same stamina and 60-second cooldown as the standard drone. Now, to compare the two, which is better, and why? Well, the Garlic drone's primary is much more potent in its damage output, dealing 2 more damage per shot across all ranges, and its airstrike launched several cobs that can kill most to all enemies, and covers a wide range, allowing it to more easily devastate groups of enemies. However, the Garlic drone only has 5 health, making it extremely easy to take down, and whilst the airstrike can deal a lot of damage, it takes a while for all of the explosives to land, and each one has a near 3-second delay before it explodes, which grants enemies a large window of opportunity to escape. We then have the Artichoke drone, who has a total of 20 health, allowing it to go into more risky situations, as well as sponge 1 or 2 hits against classes normally designed to shoot it down. Its airstrike is much more suited for lone targets, due to its fast response time and extremely short cooldown. However, its general primary weapon is rather weak, making its overall damage performance rather poor, and its airstrike is not great against multiple people, since it would require multiple uses, and would end up getting the drone destroyed long before it could confirm the kill on anyone. Both drones have the same stamina, and both drones have a 60-second cooldown once destroyed. So, with the comparisons out of the way, which is better at what? Well, if you're wanting a drone that has a reliable primary, a powerful airstrike capable of affecting multiple people at once, and don't feel like you need the extra health, then the Garlic drone is your go-to option. If however, you're wanting a drone that is more dependent on a solo airstrike, great against lone wolf targets, and feel like you need the extra durability, then the Artichoke drone is your go-to option. As for my final verdict, across all scenarios and capabilities, I would have to go with the Garlic drone, for whilst the extra bulk and lone wolf potential of the Artichoke drone is nice, it does not compare to the firepower of the Garlic drone's weapon and airstrike. Be sure to come back for the next episodes next week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more shit like this. Have fun.